Okay, let's take a start. I'm going to ask you some questions about birds. How do you feel about birds?
I feel about the world and I'm feeling very happy.
I feel very
I feel
happy when I
very
look
happy
at the
when
birds.
I look at the birds and the bird is very beautiful.
Birds are very
Birds
beautiful.
are very beautiful and birds are very beautiful for our country, for my country, and I see many birds in the farmhouse, forest, and other things.
Okay, so you can say birds are very colorful. Whenever I look at the birds, I feel fresh. So
Fresh.
to answer your question, I feel great about birds. Okay, what is your favorite bird and why?
My favorite bird is parrot, and I like it very much, and that's parrot is
My
live in
favorite
my
bird, yeah.
home, and I am spend good
I
time.
spend
I spend good time in parrot
I spend good time
time
with my parrot.
with my parrots, and my parrots are very beautiful, and they are lot
And
of time I am enjoy.
okay, I am enjoy is wrong. We never put is mr with first form of the verb. I enjoy.
I enjoy.
So I spend a lot of time with my parrots
Parrots.
and I enjoy a lot. I would
Enjoy.
advise you to learn all 12 tenses again. Present indefinite to future perfect continuous, okay? All right, let's go on. What is your favorite bird? You've already answered that. Are there any birds near your home?
Yes, different types of the birds are near my home, such as parrot, crow, parrot, crow, ducks, and many types of the birds are
And many
living,
other type of
and many
birds
other
are
types
there
of birds
nearby
are
home.
there in my hometown.
Okay, just try to categorize your answer. For example, are there many birds near your home? You say, yes, there are
Yes.
many birds near my home. First of all, sparrow is a very common bird in my country.
Okay.
So we can see sparrows in the trees every time. On the other hand, there is a very good population of crows as well. So you can see the beautiful black crows whenever you go outside. And finally, there are eagles. So these three birds are very common in my hometown. Something like
Okay.
that, okay? All right, let's go on. Do you think birds should be protected?
Yes, birds should be protected in our environment, and if the bird is protected in our environment, and the reason the environment is very beautiful to
In the presence of birds.
in the
Our
presence
environment
of-
becomes beautiful in the
in the
presence
presence
of
of the
birds.
birds, and sparrow, eagles, cow are important birds in our country.
Okay, so I think birds must be protected,
Protected.
especially the endangered
Endangered
birds should be
birds
protected.
should be-
Okay, grammar, ideas, you need to focus on that. Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
inshallah.